Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be doing a first impression / first makeup tutorial on my channel. I'm very excited. Before we get started, be sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post bell notification so you never miss when I upload a video. Also, follow me on my social media, which will be down in the description box below. And comment down below what video you'd like to see next on my channel. Let's just get started. So the palette that I'm going to be using today is the Kylie Jenner Cosmetics-Sorta Sweet palette. I will swatch them on the back of my hand so you guys can see all the colors. And the packaging is so pretty. This is what the back looks like. This is what it looks like inside. There's like a lot of pinky browny colors. There's 3 shimmers, which are right here, and the rest are mattes, so you could create a really nice look with this. I'm going to go ahead and swatch the top row. So I'm going to take this first color right here in the palette, and I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on the back of my hand. That looks really pretty. And that's a light color too, and it shows up on my skin. I'm going to go ahead and take the glitter. This is the shimmer. This is really pretty for like an inner corner or like a lid color. And it looks like that. That's really pretty. Like a gold color. Champagne-y color. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'll use this finger. I don't want to like... Oh, that's pretty. And that's what that color looks like. I'm going to go ahead and take this, which color should I do? I'll take this color right here. Ooh, that's like a dusty rose type color. I'll turn my hand this way so you guys can see. Oh wow, that's pigmented. They don't look super bright because I am like rubbing my finger across. But I'll do the middle glitter. Ooh, that's like a pretty color. That goldy color, that's really pretty. And then the last one in this row just looks like that. Oh really? It's like that looks a little light for that color. I might use this color, which I will swatch now on my lid. That's like really pretty. It's like a rose goldy type color. Ooh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. Then the second to last shade, a chocolatey brown. And then the last color is like this dark. There's like a little bit of fallout. As you can see, I just blew it. I'm gonna put it right up front. And it just looks like that. I didn't swatch it like a lot. And there's still some like on my finger. So these are all the colors that come in this palette, and we're going to now put it on my eyes. So I just taped my eyes with some masking tape, and I'm going to go ahead now and use my Urban Decay Primer Potion. This is what it looks like. I'm going to just go ahead and blend this in with my finger. Take this like flat top brush, and I'm gonna dip into this really bright color right here that's matte, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that on my eyes just to set the primer. I know like eye primer you don't have to set, it's not concealer, but I just like to do this just to be safe, and I feel like my eyeshadow blends a lot better. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set that look, and you could kind of already see it. This is my first Kylie Jenner eyeshadow. I do have a lip gloss and a lip kit that I do own, but this is my first eyeshadow that I own by her. So all I did was set it. As you can see, you could kind of set it, and if you look in the pan, I don't know how to show you guys, but there is fallout, like you can see it right here. So I'm next going to be taking my NYX Professional size 16 brush. I do really like this brush. I recommend NYX brushes. They are really nice. And I'm just going to take that color right here, this brownish color, tannish color, and I'm going to apply that into my crease to use as a transition color. Hope you guys can see this. I was very excited to film this video. I've been telling like all my friends, I'm filming my first makeup tutorial today, and they were very excited. I do post a lot of my makeup looks on my Instagram. I do post a lot of my looks on there and like my favorite products, you know, all stuff related to makeup. I did post a picture last night of my best friend's eye makeup, and I think her makeup turned out really pretty. I'm trying to get her to sit down and film a video with me, but she's very camera shy when it comes to like videos. So next I'm taking this Wet n Wild brush and I'm gonna dunk it to this color right here. So every shade that I've used so far has had fallout, so if you do get this palette, I recommend being aware of that. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this also into my crease. This is coming off like a lot more darker than I thought. Oh my god, this eye looks so much brighter than the other eye. Left eye always comes out looking not as good as my right eye, so if you see me like in my videos playing with my left eye a lot more, that's why. I think that's as good as it's gonna get right now. I'm then gonna be taking this color right here. I'm trying to use as many colors as I can for this look, so bear with me. So I'm gonna take this dark brownish color. Again, like, there's so much fallout. And I'm just gonna apply this to the outer corner. This kind of is coming off more purpley, if you guys could see, or is that just me? This is also, I don't know if I said this, this is an e.l.f. crease brush, but it works so good when I want to do like my outer corner to start darkening it. I think that looks good. I'm going to go ahead and go in with the pinky color, pinky shimmery color, and I'm just going to use my finger for it. I find that sometimes shadows apply better with my finger than with a wet brush, and I always just apply it with my finger. So when applying this, there is fallout. There's like a little bit like right there. I recommend doing your eyeshadow first and then doing like your full face, just because there is a lot of fallout when applying this. For the last step, I'm gonna go ahead and take this Real Techniques shader brush. Yeah, shading brush. And I'm going to take that dark brown color and I'm just going to apply it to the outer corner. Just to darken the outer corner up a little bit. So it's not as dark as I thought it would be, but this is like good if you don't want to do like a dramatic eye look. You want to keep it very light. Apply a little more of that rose goldy color to this eye. That's better. I'm going to take this brush. This is a crease brush. It came in like a little kit I got from my other best friend for my birthday, and I'm just going to kind of blend everything out. Like if there's glitter in the crease, this will kind of like help take it out. That is the eye look. I tried to use all the colors in the palette. I did not use the two other shimmers right here. They look a little weird just because I don't do top liner. But once I put mascara and I do my brows, it will look a lot better. Go ahead and do my brows and mascara and eyeliner off camera, and then I'll come back. So this is the final look. I'll kind of get like a little bit close to you guys so you guys can see. For brows, I used the e.l.f. brow kit in medium along with Ribble's Brow This Way gel in medium brown. I also used the Lights Camera Flashes mascara by Tarte for my eyelashes. And for bottom liner, I used the NYX retractable eyeliner in black. My brows are not the best. That is one thing that I'm still trying to learn how to do. I think this eye look came out really good. I think the colors blended pretty well. There is a lot of fallout with the colors, so be careful. Like I said, I recommend doing this first, but some of the colors I thought were going to be darker than they look. So they applied to my eye, like the two browns. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I do, like I said, post a lot on my Instagram, so I'd recommend following me on there. Comment what you guys like to see in my next video. I will be hopefully posting very soon. I'm very excited and happy that I finally filmed my first video. I was super nervous, but I think it did come out really good. I'm not like amazing, like I will never say that I'm that good at makeup, but I think it did come out good for my first video. Anyway, make sure you guys have a great day. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on social media, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!